Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to you all in the fourth day of today's 30 most important point workshop. Today we'll be starting from our point number 19 to point number 26. We'll be discussing that today. Sorry, to point number 24. We'll be discussing them today. So let us start with today's video. Okay. So point number 19, the location of point number 19. Let us just check. So see, on the exterior side of our leg. Okay. So if we put our fingers just below our knee joint, if we keep our fingers just below our knee joint, so where our middle finger touches, just right there, okay, is this point, outside to the exterior side of our knee, okay. You can see the picture, okay, location. I hope it is clear. Please check the photo properly to know location clearly, okay. So let us see the importance of this point, okay. People above the age of 30 should daily use this point, as this point slows our aging process, okay. So if you want to be like, if you want to have your skin anti-aging, okay, like aging proof skin kind of something, then you should daily use this point. It will make your aging slow, so it is kind of an anti-aging point, okay. So you can use this point. Above 30, everyone should daily use this point, okay. This point is also good if someone is having restlessness, if they are having restlessness, if someone has hyper anxiety problem, okay, they are having anxiety and they are having hyper emotions problem, then also they should use this point. Also if someone is having false excitement problem, okay, like they are excited generally if something happy is going on and you are excited, that is a different thing. But when something wrong is happening and you are like stressing out, you are freaking out, something kind of, okay, like that, and you are like false excitement is there, if that is the situation, then you should always use this point, okay. This point is the homeostatic point of our body. It balances our body. For all kind of abdominal problem, you should use this point, okay. For any kind of abdominal problem, you can use this point. If you are having pain or stiffness in your knee, then also you can use this point, okay. This point is bilateral, it comes on both these sides, so you can use this point. Pain in the hollow of knee, if you are having that problem also, then you can use this point. If you are feeling weakness in your body, overall body, then you can use this point. If someone is having high blood pressure problem, then also they can use this point. This is a very good point for athletes, okay. Like it is called as 3 miles extra point, okay. Like generally you are running like some kilometers you run, okay, but pressing this point you will be able to run more 3 miles extra, okay. Like you'll able to run 3 miles extra with this point. So if you're an athlete, if you're into sports and things, then you should definitely use this point. This point is very helpful for you all. It actually increases our stamina. So this was our MIP 19. Let us now discuss about MIP 20 point. So if you fold your leg, right, okay, like you are folding your legs like this. So where the knee, suppose this is our knee joint, okay. So the back side of the knee, where this crease is forming, okay, like this crease is forming when you are just folding your legs like this, see, then this crease is forming the whole line on the back side. This is our point, okay. So like this, the whole point over here, see, this is our exterior exterior knee, okay, the knee joint, okay, the back side of the knee joint over here, the line forming, this will be our acupressure point, okay. You can see the photo clearly for that. So let us discuss the usefulness of this point. Any kind of knee pain if you are having, okay, or the creasing of the knee is like decreased or dissolved, then you can use this point. If you are having weak bones, weak muscles nearby your knees, okay, then you can use this point. This point is also good for hair, okay. So if you are having hair fall problem, then you can use this point, especially when there is hair fall. Hair fall is very natural, okay, but the main problem is where you do not have new regrowth of hair, okay. Like a small hair, if you are having like this everywhere, then that means that new hair is growing, okay, and it is a good sign. But if someone is not having small hairs, like exactly hair fall is going on, that is generally okay, because what we can say, like old cells, they dissolve, right, like that only the old hair or the hair which is not strong enough, they just come out. Okay, but if there is no growth of hair, then that is actually a problem. So if you want to increase the growth of hair, then also you can use this point. If you want your hair to be silky, smooth, soft, shiny kind of, then you can use this point. If you have dandruff problem, then also you can use this point. Okay, so in any kind of hair related issues, if you want your hairs to be thick kind of, then you can use this point. Okay, this point is very useful, like if you want to lose your weight, you want to do your weight loss, or if you want to increase your weight, then also you can use this point. Okay, it strengthens and nourishes our bones, our spinal vertebrae, our joints, our tendons, our muscles, our ligaments. Okay, it nourishes them and it also strengthens them. Okay, what again I'll repeat: your bones, your tendons, your muscles, your spinal vertebrae, okay, your muscles, it will make them strong and it will nourish them. Okay, any kind of skin issues, if you're having skin disorders, if you're having skin dryness in any part of your body, then you can use this point. Okay, if you are having lumps in any kind of body, in any kind of body part, if you are having lumps, then also this will be a very good point. This point helps to remove excess heat from your body. Okay, this point will help to remove excess heat from your body. It is also a good point if you are having urtic area problem. Okay, there is lubrication is less any part of your body. If you are having this problem, then you can use this point. Like if you are having dry eyes problem, eyes are red, itching in eyes problem, or if you are having vagina dry, or your heel is dry, if you are having like this issue, then you can use this point. Okay, urine problem, if you are having any kind of urine problem, then also you can use this point. If your body is not able to make enough urine, or if you are not able to pass your urine properly, then you can use this point. Okay, so this was MIP 20. Let us now discuss about MIP 21. See the location of MIP 19, where MIP 19 is located, just a lateral side. If you go straight, okay, then there will be another point. You can see that will be the point of our MIP 21. Okay, like this is MIP 19, just besides that outside will be MIP 21. Okay, if you will press that point, they will pain. I'm so sorry. Okay, so the importance of this point: it tonifies our nerves, it strengthens our muscles. So if you are having any kind of muscle and neurological disorder, okay, if you are having any kind of muscle disorder, or if you are having any kind of neurological disorder, or if you are having neuromuscle disorder, then you should use this point. If you are having a muscle cramps, pain in muscles, spasm in your muscles, or if you are having weakness, okay, like that problem, or any of your muscle is teared, okay, tear of muscle is there, then also you can use this point. If you are having nerve degeneration problem, tremors problem, then also this point is very helpful in that situation. If someone is having pitta, that is excess in their body, then they can use this point. As in, if someone is having problem of acid reflux, then they can use this point. If they are having migraine attack problem, if they are having muscle cramp problem, this point is very good for all kind of liver and gallbladder disorder. Okay, so if you are having any kind of liver or gallbladder disorder, then you can use this point. If you are having premenstrual cramp, with that you are having muscle cramps in your body, if your bones are paining, okay, pain in your thighs or back, during periods also, if you are having same pain, okay, in your muscles, in your knees, in your thigh area, or in your back area, or you are having muscle cramps, okay, then you can use this point. This will be very helpful for you. This was MIP 21. Let us now discuss about MIP 22. So MIP 19 again, okay, just 4 fingers below MIP 19. So on the line of MIP 19 is 1 point, and inner side of that will be the another point, okay, in that line, the whole line, okay, like this. So suppose this is MIP 19 is over here, okay, so 4 fingers below it, this will be MIP 21, okay, my index finger. Just besides that, like this, full line like this will be MIP 20. What is MIP 22? Okay, you can check the photo to know about it properly. This point helps to remove cough from your body. Cough as in it means excess of balgam or mucus or phalgam in your body. Okay, so if you are having that problem, then it will help to remove it. So if you're having nose is your blocked, if you're having that problem, or if you're having asthma, okay, or in your chest area, mucus is there, okay, mucus is stuck in your chest area, or phalgam is stuck in your chest area, and if you want to remove it out, then this point will be very helpful for you. It helps to remove any kind of lump in your body, okay, in your thyroid, in your uterus area. If you're having lumps, then that will be a very good point. It also clears our brain. It helps to clear our brain. Okay, so this was MIP 22. MIP 23. Let us now discuss about this point. 4 fingers above the our ankle joint, okay, internal side is this point, internal side of our leg, okay, 4 finger above it, ankle joint is this point. You can see the photos clearly for knowing about it more. This point makes our liver, kidney and spleen strong. It also stimulates its energy, okay. It is a specific point for our blood. So if you are having any kind of blood disorder, you can use this point, okay. It also, what we can say, cleans our blood, okay, and makes it more pure and healthy. It is best point for genital organs of women during delivery, okay. It helps to adjust our blood flow in our body. If you are having any kind of injury, okay, and because of which blood is flowing out and you are not able to stop the blood, then in that situation you should definitely use this point. This point is very helpful in that situation, okay. So if you have got cut or something, or any kind of wound, and the blood is just coming, it is not able to stop, or you are not able to stop it, okay, then you should definitely use this point. If in men's there is problem of semen leakage during sleep, okay, or in anyone if they are having anemia, then also they can use this point. Infertility in males and females, this is a good point for that. Or in ladies, if they are having problem of miscarriage, stillbirths, okay, or retained placenta, then you can use this point. This is a best point for all gynecological problems, okay. So if you are having PMS, or if you are having PCOD, uterine fibroids, or if you are having any kind of period related disorders, then you can use this point, okay. It will be a good point for all these problems. So this was MIP 23. Let us now discuss about MIP 24. You can see the MIP 24 location of the point on the photo, okay. You can see the location properly. Now let us now discuss the importance or benefits of this point, okay. This is a good point for our bone marrow, okay. It is a best point for our fibula bone. It improves bad effects of poison, okay. If you have had any kind of poison, okay, and if you want to remove it from your body, then this will be a best point for that. Or if you are having wind, excess of wind in your body, or excess of heat in your body, wind as in if you are having excess of vat in your body, then this point is very good for that, okay. Calf muscle and upper leg pain if you are having, then also this is a good point for them. This is a preventive point from paralysis. It helps to remove vat or gas from your body, okay, and especially it will help you remove that from the backside or the downside of your body, not from mouth but from the external side of our body. Okay, if you are having any kind of problem, like if you have eaten wrong medicines, okay, or if you have eaten expired medicines, and if you want that you do not get any kind of problem because of that, then you should use this point. Okay, if any animal has like bite you, okay, has bitten you, or like any dog, cat, any kind of animal, and if you want that you are not infected by that, then you can specially use this point. Okay, if you are having food poisoning problem, or if someone has taken poison, okay, willingly might be, then they can use this point. Okay, it reduces the harmful effect of poisons. Okay, if you want to cure side effects of medicines, like if you are having steroids, okay, if you are having that, then you can use this point. So this was MIP 24. So we have discussed more 6 points today. I hope you have like enjoyed it. Please let us know if you are enjoying this workshop, and if you are finding this videos informative, and if you are liking them, then please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much everyone.